Hey everybody, this is Richard again with the Car Barn here in Hurricane, Utah, southern Utah. Today we're driving a pretty awesome truck that's not only fairly hard to find, really hard to find. This is a 2013 GMC Sierra with a CNG conversion kit put on from the factory. Unbelievably well done. Hard truck to find. This will give you a great fuel economy. As you know, with CNG, it's about a third of the price per gallon as regular fuel. So this truck runs on both, and super clean, low mileage, awesome truck. We're going to take a drive up here and pull over, take a look at the inside of the truck, the outside, point out the features, benefits. And as always here at the Car Barn, we want to be totally transparent. The reason we do these videos, so you know everything about these vehicles that we do. We want you to know the good, the bad, anything that maybe doesn't work properly, any flaws, whatnot. So if you're traveling from out of town, out of state, you can be totally confident that you're getting exactly what you expected and getting what you expect to pay for. So anyway, we're going to take a quick pull over up here and look at the inside of the truck, the outside of the truck, and maybe go over some of the features of it, and just take a little tour of it real quick. So if you've never been to southern Utah, we welcome you to come on in, make it worth your while. Again, if you're totally transparent on what you have and what you're selling, we feel like that's a great experience for people to be able to commit and travel this way for a vehicle. So we're going to pull over up here and take a look at this truck. No traffic up here, that's for sure. High mountain area. All right, so real quick on this truck, I'm going to point out again a 2013, and miles is, get it right, find out how to work the buttons here, got too many buttons. 100,963 miles. Sorry about that. All right, so quick look on the side here. We've got a nice stereo, just a CD player, and does have controls for the driver and passenger, air and heat. Does have traction control. It is a four-wheel drive vehicle. Drives really well, and everything does work properly. On the other side here, you'll see in the center console area for cruise control, as well as your functions for your stereo. Nice, comfortable, clean layout. On this side, you've got your lights and dome lights, lower fog lights. And then in the far bottom, this is where you switch over from gas to the CNG. It does have the built-in trailer brake setup. And let's shut it off and take a look at the rest. It does have the nice key fob, keyless entry security system. And some of the added bonuses, seats for 6. And really clean interior. It is cloth. Got the power seat on the driver's side. No scuffs, no tears, no cigarette smell, no holes in the seats or anywhere. Super clean. It's got some nice heavy-duty floor mats, and the carpets are in excellent shape. Needs a little bit better of a detail. When we first get our trucks in, as always, we want to make sure we get the videos going right away, so you know about these vehicles. But the first thing we want to do is make sure we go through mechanically, make sure everything's good to go. And then we do the details later. So hopefully you don't mind a little bit of a dirt here, and we don't mind pointing that out. Okay. So again, mechanical is the most important thing to us. We want to get all that done first. Take a look at the outside and the door panels there, nice and clean. Let's go around the rest of the vehicle. In the back, also really clean. No tears, no scuffs. Headliner's in excellent shape. Carpets are great. Running boards are in good shape. And we're going to go around the truck. Tires are essentially brand new all the way around. Nice wheels and tires. The CNG kit is actually quite impressive on this, so we're going to point that out as well, but we'll go around the truck first. Super, super clean. Does have a nice bed liner in it. We're going to go over that. Got one scuff and scratch in the paint right here, as you can see. I want to point that out. Okay, that is a bonus. You might want to pay a little extra for that. Sorry, thought that would be funny. But anyway, tires again on this side, matching tires and wheels all the way around. Excellent, excellent shape. This truck is just like brand new condition, other than that corner that you saw back there. The rest of it is really nice. It's got the lower driving lights. This is the SLE package. Again, the GMC, obviously. Excellent, excellent condition. Let's take a look under the back tailgate. You can see right here real quick, this is for the CNG tank. Really, really well done. And take a look at it from inside. It's got a nice cover in excellent shape. And if you drop this, hopefully you can see that there. Really nice setup. Very, very clean. Nice bed liner. And then also tow hitch. In the fuel, just simply open the fuel door. There's your regular fuel, and then a valve right there for your CNG. So a nice, clean setup. Nothing you gotta open the hood or anything you gotta mess with. Really, really easy to work with. If you're looking for a CNG truck, this is one of the nicest ones you are literally ever going to find. So you might want to hurry on this one. In fact, you definitely want to hurry if you don't want to miss out on having CNG. If you need financing, we got some great credit union rates, great credit union programs and relationships there. Just go to barnloan.com. Fill out the form and submit it to us. Usually we get an approval in about 30 minutes to an hour, and be able to find you the best rates, best terms available for you based on your credit. If you need some questions answered, you can call us direct at 435-215-7362. Anybody would be awesome and great to be able to help you. If you need to reach me direct, my name is Richard again. You can reach me at 435-773-2022. Thanks again here at the Car Barn, and have an awesome day.